Alright, so my squirrel, ha, sucker, he'd been getting in, into my bird feeder by standing on the rail, but I oiled the rail and now it's slippery, so now he's trying to just jump directly onto the bird feeder, but because it is squirrel proof, something slips down over the cover. Oh, hello, Grackle. And he can't get in. Unless he can. See how it slides up and down? Ah, is he that smart? To know how the... Let's watch and find out. But see, he's obviously getting something because you can see, he knows how to open it and close it. I think he can get his, he can still get his face in there. From the side. Oh, you sneaky squirrel. Because it's supposed to be when he gets on it, his weight makes it so that the door is closed. Right, like right now, the little food doors should be open. Huh. Interesting.